Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about a recent launch from Xiaomi. Xiaomi just recently launched lots of new products and accessories in the market like MIUI 13 UI interface, then accessories, phones models like 12 and Buds Pro and everything. So here in this video we're going to talk about Xiaomi Buds 3. So we are going to talk about this earphones, like all its like what are the specs is available, and at end we are going to talk about my suggestions about this earphones. So starting with this, first we'll just start with the base things. So like this earphone is truly wireless stereotype. It is in ear, so which is quite good. It comes with 10 mm drivers for high quality bass and everything. So like these things are like base. It comes with Bluetooth like 5.2 versions, which is also quite good. And the company is also adding an additional feature of you can connect almost like two phones at the same time to this earphones, so earbuds, so which is quite good. And so these are like the base specs. So coming on to the next thing is like the main specs, like what is about its audio quality and everything. So here the company has started with ANC, so that is active noise cancellation. So for those people who have no idea about this ANC, and so I'll just give you a small info here. So basically in this cancellation there are two types which is available in the market. So one is PNC and ANC. PNC is passive noise cancellation and ANC is active noise cancellation. So the best example for PNC is basically our old age earphones, headphones kind of things, like where because of the structure our surrounding noise will be reduced. But whereas on ANC, here the company will be using two mics, where the primary mic will be working as a normal like when whatever you do in basic phones, like for talking or for hearing good sounds like songs and everything, whereas the secondary mic is the main purpose where it is going to suppress the surrounding noise around you. So that is what this ANC. So during all the active times, this ANC, this secondary mic will work. So that's it. So here everything there'll be a suppression level, like how much decibels it can suppress the sound surrounding you. So here in ANC, the company has given a suppression level of 40 decibel, which is quite good. And also in addition to that, the company is also giving you three options, like which you can choose in ANC depending upon your surrounding scenarios, like whether you want a complete ANC or medium, or you just want a rough one. So you can choose depending on the surroundings you have, and that is also quite good. So this is about its like sound quality. And next thing, the company is also adding an hi-fi audio, so which is high fidelity HIFI audio, which is a new technology which all phones or all companies are started to use. So what is this HIFI, which is high fidelity? Basically I told before, so where you'll just like it will start reproducing the sound into high quality. So in the sense, like there are some formats like ANC, MP3 and so MP4 formats and so here same like that, here the sound quality will be increased so high. So that's what the main thing of this HIFI audio, so which is quite good. You can just try it out. So like these are the things about its sound part and everything. Coming to the final thing is bass. So like here talking about is charging. So here the company has given a total charge of 32 hours with a charging case, and without charging case you will get almost like 7 to 8 hours, and almost like it comes with USB type C charging, so which is quite good. Whenever you want, you can just charge it and you can just refresh it and start using it again. So which is quite good about this Buds 3. So like coming to the final part is its price and availability. So basically like it is now available only in China for a cost price of almost like in Indian price it's coming almost like 5,000 Indian rupees. So like which is quite good. If you transfer into US dollars, it will be like 70 to 75 US dollars. You can keep it in that range. So that's what the minimum price like the estimated price for this Buds 3. So like maybe you can start expecting this product grow globally from March or April. So that's quite good. And coming to the final thing is about my suggestion. So my suggestion is, whether is it okay to pay 5k Indian rupees for this Buds 3 is then I'll say no, because like if you're planning to take Xiaomi Buds 3, then I would suggest you to just go and look for Buds 3 Pro. So this Buds 3 Pro is launched recently, like last year in 2021 in the market. So like you can just go through it. It just has all these features, and also it has some additional features as well. So I would suggest you to just go through for Buds 3 Pro first, and then if you're not satisfied satisfied with Buds 3 Pro, then please look for other good earphones in the market from different brands, because for 5,500 or 6,000 you can get some good like effective things and effective additional features and everything in those things in other brands also. So please do a cross check and then go for this Buds 3 Pro. So that's what my suggestion. On the whole, like if you're planning to take Buds 3, then I would suggest you to just think again. So at last, like if you're not getting any other option, if you feel like what I'm taking is correct, then definitely you can go for it. So that's it. So this is my suggestion about this Xiaomi Buds 3. So with this, I'll just end this video. So like if you have any doubts related to this, please comment below. I'll pakka reply to it. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.